Hey, let's take a look at some more work holding devices and cutters used in the shop here. We got a lot of cutters here, all over the place, and counterbores and taper pin reamers. There's some more counterbores over there, and counterbores and end mills and taper. These are all tapered, all tapered end mills. Used quite a bit in mold making, I would expect. We got a nice set of expanding mandrels plus a set of solid mandrels. Got a Tapmatic there. What is that? 30X, and got some blocks for use on the magnetic chuck on the surface grinder. Got the good old tailstock turret there. Looks like Morse taper 2 and an adapter to Morse taper 4. Got a boring headset there. Precision punches. A Mighty Bite type kit. Nice angle plate. Wavy parallels. That's a 1-inch ball bearing chuck. And those are pin grinding fixtures he used for grinding pins for the ejection pins and stuff on these molds. And these are specialty tools. Got some what could be used for all kinds of other things. Air mist. There's one in a box back here, and here's one standing up. An old drill doctor, and a very curious electric motor stand. You can clamp an electric motor in there and adjust it. I don't know. That looks like kind of a neat thing for the bench testing stuff. And I got some arbors here, Morse taper. I think we saw that stuff. Oh, right here, I'm gonna move this, trying to rearrange stuff a little better, is a front-mounted 5C collet closer, and this is an Inco made in Germany. I remember these. They sold these some years ago, and you can see this thing's in good shape. You can adapt it to anything, but it's on this D16 plate. Then over here is another lever collet closer, JFK. It looks like here's the literature for it right here. It's used but in good condition, complete. And I wish I had a tape on me. I'd measure the length, but those tubes, you change those to fit your lathe. But this American-made item, and a nice one. Got some lead screws out of a mill that are in good shape. I think the mill got knocked over or something. Looks like that hand wheel there was fixed, but somebody could use those for a project. They got the nuts on them. There's some other miscellaneous machine Acme threaded parts. Here's a Holdridge radius cutter, model 4.5, and it's pretty good size. And he'll take, you know, any reasonable offer on this stuff. He'll take generally half of eBay asking prices. Now here is a skyhook that's an import or something, and it was broken at one time and welded, but it works. You could use it for your lathe chucks on your lathe. Now we're over here at some measuring tools. Have a look at this. A stair depth gauge. There is a really neat Tessa Brown & Sharp metric dial caliper. It's about the smoothest one I think I've ever seen, or felt too. And I got some weights here, more expanding mandrels. I think those should go over here. Other expanding mandrels. Okay, I'm still rearranging stuff. I'd like to get this out where people can see it. Okay, here's some of the pins and stuff, you know, that he's worked with and extra stuff. And he, you know, it's just amazing how much work there is into making plastic molds. We got some really nice grinding stuff here. That type of angle plate back there is just really great for inspection or use on grinders, all kinds of stuff. 2, 4, 6 blocks. Don't go swimming with those. Those are heavy. Heavier than you think. Old time stuff here. I don't know. I might have to talk Rob out of this and use this in my woodworking stuff. Diamond Edge, the quality pledge. Old time line of tools that was sold in hardware stores pre-World War II. Okay. Those handy. Okay. And the blue micrometer. Don't forget this stuff. Okay. Hey, thanks for looking. We'll find other things to have a look at too, okay?